So once you get it down on the ground, we're going to be doing push-ups. They're going to be 4 sets, 50 seconds each, and the goal is you're going to reach a total of 70 repetitions. Now, if you can do 50 repetitions the first set, that would mean that on the second set, you would just do 20 and you could stop for the day. But you're going to push to around your maximum, about 5 before you stop for that set. This is a routine based on FitnessFAQ's video. This is just a follow-along version of that. If you want to see that routine, then I've linked that in the top of the description. Otherwise, we're going to get down. We have 50 seconds to do as many push-ups as you can, stopping 5 before failure. We're going to go in 3, 2, 1. We're going up and down, just following along, 50 seconds, paced out. Key points. You want to keep the elbows back, shoulders in front of the hands, forearms vertical. Doing push-ups, head neutral, retract the scapulus at the bottom. Keep pushing. We have 30 seconds left. I'm just going to keep doing repetitions. I'm going to do my maximum for the entire sets, all 4 of them. Keep your butt squeezed. Breathe in, out. In on the descent, out on the uphill. In, out, 10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we have a 1-minute rest. So let's say that you didn't reach that full repetition and you stopped. You have that time to rest. For the rest of that set where I'm still doing push-ups, you can take a breath, calm down, and you can always pause for longer. We want to keep these rest periods somewhat short because it's about endurance. So I'm going to bring my breath down, shake my shoulders out. We're going to see how many I can go. 30 seconds left in this break before we start getting set up for the next set. Key points, make sure that your shoulder blades are moving freely throughout the reps. Retract at the bottom, protract at the top, shoulders stay in front of the hands. You want the hands turned out slightly so the index fingers point to the front. 15 seconds left, breathe. If you're only doing 10 repetitions, that's fine. We want to be pushing it. Ideally, you'd be at about 20. Because over 4 sets, that would get you to 80 repetitions. You want to stop, again, when you reach 70. We're going to go for set 2, though. We're going to go in 3, 2, 1. Keep the core tense, butt squeezed, up and down. You can go fast here. Not so fast that your hands leave the ground, but the speed helps. That's 10 seconds in. Keep pushing. Keep the shoulders depressed. If you get tired, stop. Keep going. 30 seconds left. $20 seconds left. Come on. Seconds left. Last one. 0. Now we have a minute rest. Shake the chest out, massage the chest, get blood moving through it. Breathe in and out, try to circulate the lactic acid. Now I know that I'm probably not going to be able to finish this whole set and keep perfect form. So, if I stop early, that's fine. I'll let you know when the 50 seconds is up though. And if you need to pause at the top of the rep. I'll show you what that looks like in this next set, I'm sure. I've lost count actually of how many push-ups I've been doing. I'm trying to think about how much time is left for you and the cues that are going on, but hopefully you guys have been keeping count. Again, the goal of this workout is so you can reach 50 perfect form push-ups by the end of this routine. It should take you around 5 weeks to be able to double your push-ups if you can do 25 right now. Again, check out the FitnessFAQ video on this. 10 seconds left. Breathe in and out. Okay, get ready to get set up. We're gonna go 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down and up. 50 seconds of push-ups. Keep the butt squeezed, core tense. Pause at the top, hold the plank, squeeze glutes, keep the core tense, shoulders depressed. We're ready to go again. 30 seconds left. better to stop early, take a longer rest if you need it. See, I'm here. I'm resting. I'm tired. I'm breaking my form. 15 seconds left. Keep pushing it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. See, I was getting form breaks there. So what are the common form breaks that you can have? The worst one is the elbows flaring out like this. That puts a lot of stress on your shoulder. You have a bursa underneath your acromion process, which is this bony part right here, that protects your suprascapularis tendon. When your elbows flare out, it moves out of the way, and just like a knife against the rope, it rubs against the tendon of that muscle, rubs against the bone, and it'll start fraying, and that'll cause shoulder impingement. I've had it before. You can't raise your arm. You can't lift anything. You are incredibly weak because doing anything that involves moving your arm out causes an incredibly sharp pain in the center of your shoulder. So don't let that happen. It's better to stop early, take a longer rest, than it is to do sets that with improper form that will lead to injury. Something you said for pushing yourself. But if you need to push yourself, just do an eccentric, walk back up. Get set up, last set. We're doing 4 sets, this is the last one, 50 seconds, 3, 2, 1, down and up. Shoulders in front of the hands, elbows stay back. 5 seconds in, we're doing great. That's 10 seconds. Rest at the top for me. Keep going if you can. 30 seconds left. Should be traveling on a little bit of a diagonal path. If you're still here, work out with me. You're getting some strong chest, strong shoulders, strong triceps. Or at least some very, very highly endurance trained muscles. 10 seconds left. Keep pushing it. Try to do at least one more rep in that time. And that right there is the end of the timer. Nice job. Go ahead and shake out shoulders. We're going to arms up and wide chest. Arms up, wide chest. Shake them out. Do some huggers. Massage the arms, shake them out, get some blood moving through them. Quick massage. Quick massage. There we go. My name is Jake. Thanks for working out with me. Hope that you're enjoying Waterstone Fitness. If you want daily workouts delivered to your email inbox, you can sign up at waterstonefitness.com. And of course, subscribe to get more daily follow-along workout videos. As always, thanks for getting better.